The story of the pencil. A boy was watching his grandmother write a letter. At one point, he asked, "Are you writing a story about what we've done? Is it a story about me?" His grandmother stopped writing her letter and said to her grandson, "I am writing about you, actually, but more important than the word is the pencil I'm using. I hope you will be like this pencil when you grow up." Intrigued, the boy looked at the pencil. It did not seem very special, but it is just like any other pencil I've ever seen. That depends on how you look at things. It has 5 qualities which, if you manage to hang on them, will make you a person who is always at peace with the world. First quality, you are capable of great things, but you must never forget that there is a hand guide your steps. We call that the hand guide, and he always guides us according to his will. The second quality, now and then I have to stop writing and use a sharpener that makes the pencil suffer a little. But afterwards, he's much sharpener, so you too must learn to bear certain pains and sorrow because they will make you a better person. Third quality, the pencil always allows us to use an eraser to rub out any mistakes. This means that correcting something we did is not necessarily a bad thing. It helps to us on the road to justice. Fourth quality, what really matters in a pencil is not its wooden exterior, but the graphite inside, so always pay attention to what is happening inside you. Finally, the pencil's fifth quality, it always leaves a mark in the just the same way. You should know that everything you do in life will leave a mark, so try to be conscious of that in your every action.